Dear children, last day I taught you geography lesson first, resources. In this lesson I told you what is resources. Those are things or material and facilities which are useful to us called resources. Now, types of resources. What is the kinds of resources? Resources are classified in number of ways. Basically, there are two types of resources: natural resources and human resources. Natural resources are all those minerals, all those materials and elements are natural environment which man uses for his benefit. As such, natural resources include land, soil, water, mineral, forest, animals, etc. Human resources can be considered in two ways, that is as actual quantity number of population and as quality of this distribution, such as density, age, sex composition, working population, literacy, etc. A qualitative assessment also include consideration of personality, education, skill, enterprise. It is all which affect the economic development of a country. Resources. There are mainly two types: natural resources, or second human-made अर्थात man-made resources. Natural resources, man-made resources. Natural, mainly two types resources: renewable, non-renewable. Renewable or non-renewable. Renewable में continuous flow, short term, mid term, long term. Non-renewable, non-recyclable और recyclable, ये आपके resources हैं. Humans have created several resources such as capital, building, means of transport and communication, political and social institution, etc. All these resources are called man-made resources. Resources are also classified on the basis of their availability. On this basis, there are two types of resources. First, renewable, and second, non-renewable. Natural resources, any matter or element derived from the environment that is used by human beings, such as air, water, soil, minerals, fuels, plant and wildlife is called unnatural resources. Some natural resources like air, water, plants are essential for the survival of mankind, while others like minerals and fuels are used for satisfaction of other materials, needs and wants. Natural resources are classified many ways. On the basis of source of origin, resources are classed into land, soil, water, plant, animals, minerals and energy resources. According to stage of development, resources are three types of resources: potential resources, acute resources and reserve resources. Potential resources are those resources which are found in a region and have not yet been utilized but are likely to be used in future. For example, Africa has a vast potential of water resources in the form of potential stream, but most of them are yet to be tapped. Actual resources are those resources which have been uh, surveyed and quantitatively determined for actual use. Such resources are developed with the help of technology and capital. Reserve resources are those resources which can be developed profitably with the available technology. For example, a long grade iron ore which is being unutilized because of higher cost involved in its extraction becomes a reserve resource when there is an increase in world prices of such metals. On the basis of renewability, natural resources are classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. Most of natural resources are renewable because they are part of the nature cycle, such as rock cycle, hydrological cycle, and gas cycle. Different kinds of resources undergo a definite cycle in course of time. A course of time taken in completing these cycles vary. Rock cycle may take millions of years, while hydrological cycle may be completed in a very short time. By renewability, we mean the ability of natural resources to renew or replenish itself within some generation of human life. And next, second day.